time of great need, where famine grips the land of the animals, a trickster emerges with a daring plan. Meet the tortoise, a creature with a mind as sharp as his hunger. With cunning words, he convinces the birds to grant him the unthinkable. Wings to soar to the heavens. Together, they embark on a journey to the magnificent Sky Kingdom for a banquet by Chukwu himself. But in the face of temptation, our hero's true nature is revealed. A fall from grace, a legend born. Discover why the tortoise carries not just a shell, but a tale of greed and wit. Experience the timeless story of Unu Dum.